Alright guys, today I'm on another one of our brand new Sea Ray 270 SDX outboards, again powered by a Mercury V10 400 horsepower motor. Right now I have the captain's call on, that's why it sounds so throaty. Besides that, when you push the button to turn that off, these motors are super quiet. You guys are going to love it. You can talk to each other, wall up on plane, have a regular conversation in the cockpit, in the bow, wherever you're at, and that motor noise is not going to interfere with your interactions with your family and friends. Huge sun pad area in the back. I love the entertaining space of this boat. Is one of my favorite things. Of course, we included the bow and cockpit table, so there's a table that goes in right here. You can put your fruits, hors d'oeuvres, drinks, everything on there, your sandwiches, Chick-fil-A, whatever you think of bringing that day, it's going to have a place to go. But at the helm, again, we have the twin Simrad displays and the black acrylic dash. Digital throttle and shift, of course, with your active trim. Let's check out this head compartment real quick. So, vacuum flush head, we do have the cushions in there, also a bow filler cushion for the boat, or for the front of the boat, so that entire area up here does turn into a playpen. Bless you. Bless me. Of course, in here we do have a entry and exit ladder, and of course your windlass anchor. You guys, this is an incredible boat. My name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us soon.